Hi, I'm V and this is the Ratcheting Raven. Today I'm going to be replacing coil packs on a 2011 Chevy Malibu. Today's video is in collaboration with a-premium.com. A-Premium sent me these very nice high quality coil packs. They are super well made and I'm going to put them on the Malibu. Okay, so to start I have to remove this engine cover. There is a hose clamp down through here at the back. I can see it through here kind of. And I apologize in advance for the sounds, if you can even hear that. People are having a great time at the track today. Okay, so first I'll be disconnecting these old coil packs. There's one, there's two, there's three. Put that back on so nothing falls down in there. And there's the fourth one. Now let me get the wiring harness out of the way. All right, so these are a 10 mil. Gonna loosen them all up and then I will take them out. There's number one. There's number two. There's number three. And there's number four. I'll be putting a little bit of dielectric grease on these. All right, so here goes one. Two. Number three. And number four. All right, now I'll tighten these down. Snug them down real good. Now I'll go back through and connect the wiring harness to the coil packs. That one's locked in place. That one's locked in place. So is that one. Now so is that one. So the new coil packs are installed. I'm going to put the engine cover back on, which also goes to the intake, and then we'll start it up. All right, so to put the engine cover back on, I have to remove the oil filler cap. All right. All right, car's all back together. Okay, so I'm gonna start it up and see how it runs. If you wanna check out A Premium's products, check the link down in the description. Okay, so seems to be running smoother, started up much quicker. So far I would give A Premium's products 2 thumbs up. Like I said, check out their products in the link down in the description. Later.